in the category section, when currently there is categories, and when I click on this bed, all the products are shown. But what I want is based on the categories, the product to be shown. Okay. So for this, what we can do is, okay. Now in the what we will do in the filter product is from the products list and from the all of the products, then where we will add the condition and it will be product, and if the product matches to the category of product category is equal to widget dot, and what was it? I think it was product category. Yeah. So category is products, product category is required. Okay. So for this, what we can do is simply write final. Sorry, not this. Okay, this is the step we have done in this routes. Now I think in the build dot get sorry build product card, this is the public function. Okay, so I think we can make it. So let me do one thing. What we can do is list product model and products. Okay, so if we do like this, then in all of this, sorry, in all of this function we have to pass these products. But let me do one thing, that is make this able to accept a null value. So now what we can do is, so let me just do it one thing. Okay, so let me do just copy this and write here products dot length. So and in here I think it is not null, so make it that. Now in here same as that. So and it will be products index. Okay, so I think after this what we can do is, so build product card. Let me do one thing. Since it is, so whatever we can do is we can use this. So it makes such that it is not needed to be passed. Okay. So after this in the category space, what we have here, products. In the products, what we pass the result of this filter product. Okay, and filter product. So now let us just reload the application. After I click on category and let me select on chair. So here you can see only the products related to chair categories are shown. Okay. So same for this sofa. Yeah. And let me click on lamp. Okay. So same in here also. Okay. If I click on this best sellings, see all, then this is shown. Okay. Because in here, what we have is build product card. We have used this function. So for this, what we can do is, so products final p list is equal to products. If no value is passed, then the product list model, sorry, product list lists, not this. Okay, so if we don't pass any products like this here in the categories, so if we don't pass the value like this, then by default the value of it will be passed. Okay, so in here what we can pass is p list, and same in here p list, and let me reload the application. Yeah, this issue is now fixed. Okay, we have. Okay, so let me just show you one thing. Yeah, this is the chair we have. Okay, so when I click on this orange chair, the selected image must be shown at the top. Okay, so for that to happen, so let me do one thing. We have to go to this product detail page. Okay, this is that is in the product folder. So for this, what we can do is uh, final string image. So we have to initialize it. So instead of doing final, we can do let. So it will be initialized later on. Okay, and in the init state, we have to define. Okay, then select image. So in here, what we pass is widget dot product dot image path dot. So at first, the first image will be shown. Okay. So then in this primary image we have, that is, so let me just fix this. So this first, for this stack image. Okay, at first. So what we can do is here the selected image will be passed or shown. And after this, primary image cannot be assigned to past dot sorry list string. Right? So here we have to do it. If we click on those images, that image must be respond. Okay, on tap. So select image is equal to widget, and in here we have to pass the index. Okay, the selected image index will be passed. So let me just reload the application. String is not a subtype of type list string. So yeah, okay, sorry for this. Since this part is the list of string. Okay, so what we can do is simply sorry select image. So we have to do this now. Reload the application. Okay, so let me select the image. I think you have to click on this container list.generate. So click correct. Well, let me fix this issue. I think in here we have to fix this issue. Okay. So string, so no issue at all here. So let me do one thing. Let me do this detector. Reload the application. We haven't placed it in the set state. Okay. So let me reload the application. Okay. So now if I select image, yeah, it is shown successfully. Okay. So here you can see if I select image, it is shown successfully. When I click on this favorite icon button, then this product must be added to this saved screen. Okay. And if I again click on this save button, that is this favorite icon button, then the product must be removed from this saved screen. Okay. So for this to be happen, what we can do is let us just make a change in this home page. Okay. So in the home page, so we have this slider card and this title row and then this build product card. Okay, so for this to happen, we can create a model in this shape page. Okay, so in the shape page we have to create this model folder, and in this model folder shape product model dot. Okay, so let me just what we can do is after this we have to create a product model since it is the main model in which okay model. So let me just import it. Sorry, shape product. Okay, it will store the product that is being saved. Okay, import it. So in the product model, what we have, these are all of the instance variable. Okay, so these are the variables. So that's why we have used this product model. So after this, we have to create a function that will check whether the product is being saved or not. Is product saved? And in here we pass product model, and in return, what it will return is sorry, here we have to do product. So return saved product dot, and it will if is product saved or not. So dot I think in and it will save the product based on this what we call t dot id. I think it will save the product based on the id. Yeah, is equal to product stock dot id. Okay, so t dot id can because it is final. So yeah, this one seems to be nice. Okay, then again after this what we have to do is so let me show you one thing. If we click on this icon or button again and again, the product will be either saved or unsaved. Okay, so for this, okay, I think in here we have to write void toggle product saved, and in here product model product, and in here since it is the no return type, so we can write saved product dot. So sorry, here what we can do is if the product is saved already. Okay, so is product saved product. If the product is saved already, then we can just remove this item. Okay, product saved, then product. Yeah. If it is then saved product dot remove, where so it will be removed based on the id. Okay, so I dot id is equal to product dot id. So save product per, sorry, here it is mistake product. Yeah, after this and else what we can write save product dot add. Okay, I think in here also we can pass the id. I think let me just do one thing. I I dot id is equal to product dot id. Okay, so I think we cannot pass assign to type parameter. So add all. So I think in here also we cannot pass this. Okay, so cannot be assigned to type iterable function. So let us just do one thing. Add all. The product will be saved. So cannot be assigned to iterable product model. Okay, so add. So here the function to let me explain again. So this boolean value will look whether the product is saved or not. So this means that if this product is saved already, then the color icon will be red. And what this function do is if the product is already saved, then if I click on this icon again, the product will be removed. Okay. So that is the main function. So let me go to this home page, and in the home page, in here this build product card. Okay. So here what we can do at first, let us make this stateful widget. Okay, stateful widget we have to make this, and let us go below down and in here, yeah, in the icon button. So set state. So here we have to do is toggle products. I think, yeah, product, yeah, this one. So in here we have to pass this data. So that is this data. Okay. So this, since this product list is also of the model of this product model. Okay. So after this, what we can do is and data, then in a paper and in color, what we can do if this product save data, and if it's true, then color will be color dot c red color, otherwise null, no color. Okay, and saves. So just let me reload the application. Let us open this. Okay, so if I click on this, here you can see the icon color has been changed to red. Okay, so again here the same below also has been, okay, been in red color, because in at the top what we have done is we have passed use same this function. Okay, so that's why this issue has been shown. So it doesn't seem too much. Okay, now if I click on this icon button again, so this is removed. Okay, so here you can see this has been removed. Okay, now after what we have to do is this saved product must be shown here. Okay, in the saved screen. So for this, what we can do is we have to go to this where was it, a saved page, and in here. So let me do one thing. Each product saved. I think we don't need to do this. So let me just do one thing. So here we have this. And here let us just make it with single child scroll view. Okay, so after this and comma, so let us just comma. So if saved product, okay, saved, I think what was it, saved product, maybe saved product, can input it dot is empty. So if it is empty, then what will be here, center child, sorry, text, no products available. Okay, then let us here have build product card. Okay, so after this, so here what we can expect is, so currently I haven't saved any product. Okay, so that's why this is shown. Now let me do one thing, that is if I select here save any product, that is let's just add this, then here you can see by default this value are shown but not the product that I have saved. Okay, then here you can see by default this value are shown but not the product that I have saved. Okay, so they have any product saved, that is this if we save any product, that is here currently these products are saved but the product I have selected are not shown, but these default products are shown. Okay, so let me have both features, the product that is saved also to be shown, and when I search any text, this product will also be shown. Okay, so for this, what we can do is let us have list. We have here, so we will pass the what you have seen in the product model. With the product that are saved will be saved in this saved product. Okay, so what we can do is list product model, and in here we have filter product. Here you see the product is equal to saved product. Okay, so after this, let us just import this. Okay, we have imported this. Could be final. So final, just leave as it is. And now we have to make another function that will look on this search text. Okay, the input given by the user. So for this, what we can give is search search product, and in here what we can do is string query. It will look on the controller In the query, what we pass the input given by the user. Okay, so search controller dot text dot we change it to the lowercase. Okay, lowercase, and we also, so I think text dot trim we remove any spaces that are present and dot to lowercase. So after this, what we can do in the set state, so the changes are seen immediately. Okay, so in here in the filter product, what we can do is equal to save product dot and where, so in the where what we can do is t, and it will look on the title. Okay, so title of the product model, so in the title dot to it will be changed to lowercase, then to I think we have to make it either it contains the input given by the users or not. So in the query dot to list, sorry in here, so this has been successful. Now after this in here in the product model, so let me just pass here, so the products, and in here we pass the filter products. So what does this do is like is here you can see in the shape product value is passed to this filter product. Okay, so let me just reload the application and let us see the change. Okay, so let me just undo this. Okay, remove this. So now here currently no products available since we haven't saved any product. Okay, so let me just save which, yeah, this one and this one and just let us see it. Okay, so here you can see this product action, and one problem is the icon is not in the red color. Okay, so we have to fix this, and also we have to fix the problem here. Okay, so let us just do one thing. So we have to use this search product function. You can see if I search anything, the UI doesn't change. Okay, because we have to add in the init state, we have to add the listener. Okay, so that will listen to the frequent changes. So here we don't have init state, and then what we have to do is dot, what was it, search controller dot add listener, and in the add listener what we have to pass this function. Okay, search product. Now after this we have to dispose it also. Okay, and let me just do it. Okay, I think we can do just and remove listener. I think this, okay, so let me just reload the application. So still no changes. So let us type read. Yeah, okay, so here you can see this function has worked successfully. Okay, so after we remove this, yeah, okay, since we dispose, the text are also disposed. So let me type e, okay, so white. Okay, so this here is shown. Okay, now what we have to do is make sure that the red color in this icon also presents. Okay, so here we have this product card, and I think when I click on this, the color also have to change or the product has to be removed. Okay, so since in the save page, what we have here is this product build product card. Okay, so this is the function. So I think we have to make this like what is called stateful widget. Okay, so what we can do is stateful. Okay, let me just do one thing. Build product grid card. Okay, so in the return function, I think, okay, in here I think we can return just this size box. Okay, let me do one thing, return, and let us remove this, and let us copy this and remove this completely, and remove this. After this products, and in here what was it, I think final product model, and that was products. Yeah, it was like this parameters. Okay, then I think we have to access it with widget dot products. Okay, yeah, this seems to right, and here plist dot length final object, and if it is not passed, then sorry, here it has to be like this. Then this, I think it was, okay, not like this. Dot length product model. Okay, okay, then yeah, this issue is fixed now. Now what we have to do is in the set state, yeah, same here. So set state, and here what was it? It was toggle product shape. and in here we can pass simply data. I think, yeah, data. And here in the also same like in, okay, so color is product shape and data. If it is true, then common color dot c, what was it, red color, not otherwise null. Okay, then in the shape page, so I think this is not present, so let me just fix this issue. What was it, build uh product, I think, yeah, build product grid card, and in the products filter product. Okay, so this has been fixed. Now in the home page, I think, best sellings, not, this is not present, so let me, I think, fix this by build grid product card. I think, let me just go here, build product card. Then I think we have to fix this with, okay, replace it. Okay, then there must not be any erection product card. I think, let me just fix this again. Okay, build this one, copy and copy. Yeah, let me fix this with like this. Okay, in the home page, I think, what way, sorry, okay, this seems to be like problem. Copy this, control F2, sorry, not like this, build. Okay, I think we have to fix here also. It must be, yeah, build product card. Let me fix this. Okay, then this also. Now in the categories, in how many part we have to fix it? Okay, products. So let me just reload the application. So let us view it. Okay, so here we can see the product is being saved or unsaved. So now if I unsave this product here, then this product card must be removed. Okay, click on this product. That is when I unsave this product. So this product is saved. Okay, now I think, this seems no issue here currently. Okay, so let me just again save this, save this, save this. And if I click on this saved here, okay, this product is saved now. Okay, so we have achieved the, what is called, UI of this saved screen. Okay, so now we have to fix the issue of, now in the UI where we have to change it. So we have fixed this issue and this issue also. Yeah, now we have to look on this, what we call this, cart screen. Okay, so when I click on this cart screen, that is, when I click on this below cart icon button, then the product must also be saved in the cart page. Okay, so we can do it like same in the, what we have like previously, this saved product model. Okay, so let me copy this same code and let us go to this cart page. Okay, and let us have this, I think in the product model, I think we can have same this cart model. Okay, so okay, I think model will be fine, cart model dot. Okay, so product model as it is saved, cart product, and in here also cart, sorry, not that one, product model and cart product product. So why this CRT cart product? Okay, so in the product model we have this cart product. Okay, so after this what we can do is, code is same. Okay, so now when we click on this icon button, let me remove all this file. So here when I click on this cart icon button, then it must be added to the carts. Okay, so for this to happen, what we can do is, where is, I think, home page. Let us go to home page. Where was it? Yeah, in the home page. And okay, let us go to where, I think in the model also we have to make some changes. Okay, so this will not be confusing. Okay, it's, okay, this seems to be nice. Yeah, so we have done this. Now in the home page we have to go to this build product card. Okay, so where was it? Oh, no, sorry, in the build product, it was in the, I think, oh sorry, yeah, in the build product card. Okay, yeah, this shopping basket. Okay, then after here, what we can do is set it. Sorry, not here. Set state. Set state and product, and it is your data. So let me import this file. Okay. Yeah, imported. We have imported this file. Now for the icons. Okay, same as it is. Color, and I think we can have this here blue color. Okay. For now, blue color. Yeah, this seems nice. Now let us see the changes. Okay. So let us reload the application and see the change. So when I click on this, okay. So not this is product shapes. Okay. Is here is card edit. I think yeah, this seems yeah this one. Now just reload the application. So yeah, this here you can see the color has been changed to blue. Okay. So the product has been saved successfully. Now what we have to do is this product that has been added to the cart must be shown in your cart page. Okay. So for this to happen, what we can do is okay. Let us just go to where was it? Cart page. Cart page dot. So in here the product must be shown. Okay. So let me just view here. Container same as it is and build price text. I think where was it? The card. Let me just view the card. Okay. Yeah, this here card and container. Okay. So let me just view it. Okay. 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 Clip rate. So I think let us just copy this code, okay, and common image. I think we have to use here list view dot builder. So what we can do is here we have it list view dot builder, and in the item count, let us have this three and string grab view and builder. Sorry, item builder context comma index, and in here just leave as it is return. Okay, so container list view dot builder. I think this doesn't seem to be this one. So let us view this. No problem, no issue, no issue. And where is the issue? I think yeah, I think let us just see here the place where the issue is been seen. Okay. So let us go just go here. Yeah. Okay, the issue has been fixed. Now after this, what we can do is and okay, just let me view one thing. Body primary padding, single child. Okay, so if the cart product dot is empty, then we just let me okay import this. If there is no product added in the cart, then uh, it will be null. Okay, or we can just write size. Okay, if it is true, cart product is empty. Sorry, here what we can do is then center child text cart is empty. Okay, so if there is any product in the carts, then here this one seems to be nice. Yeah. Now I think let me just reload the application. White sofa, same three items saved shown because in here I have added one, two, three. So let me just remove this. Well, we have one, remove this, and let us go to here. So here you can see cart is empty. Okay, so this is shown. So we have done this successfully. Now we have to fix the issue in here. Okay, so let me go here. Two images are shown. So I did it two or three. So what we have to do is, oh sorry, here we have done three. Okay, so what we can do here is cart product dot length. So let me just reload the application. Let me see what we see here. So only two. Since here currently static data is passed. Okay. Okay, we have to fix this. So I think let us just have this one thing. Okay, list product model is equal to I think it let us have either items. Okay, that is C items is equal to cart product. Okay, just let me reload this, import this file, and let me, I think we can do like this. Okay, let me just view it. Okay, I think we can do this. Data, sorry, not see items dot length. Okay, we cannot do like that. Okay, length. Okay, we don't have anything here. Okay, so okay, let me view one thing here. Data is equal to cart product index. This will refer to the length. So yeah, cart product. Yeah, this one's correct. Yeah, this is the one that we need it. Data dot category and dot name dot let it be okay name to lowercase. Okay, yeah. Or let it be uppercase. Okay, yeah, uppercase seems to be right. And in here dollar data dot price. Okay, dot to string. Now after this, what we have here is, so the number seems to be now static. And let me do one thing. And in here image also, I think we have to do, yeah, in the image also data dot what is image path. So let us just remove this side bracket. Let me reload the application. Okay, yeah, here you can see it has been shown successfully. So now just let me make some changes here. Okay, here was, it was like this, then fit box fit dot fill. Uh, okay, then after this what we can do is, I think we need to do one thing, that is the price, actual price to be shown here. Okay, in this subtotal and in the total. The subtotal means if here is 3,300, then it must be 3,000 plus 300 means 4,300. Okay, so after this, and again we have to do, I think okay, let me just be one thing, I think we have to add here container. Okay, so let me do uh, list view dot separated. Yeah, okay, let us just do this context comma, let us have this sized box, height will be 10.0 spacing. Okay, this is the spacing that we have defined. So I think we have the index. So reload the application. So here you can see there has been the some difference, okay, between this card, so between these products. So after we have done this, so let me do one thing here. uh, we have to disable one thing. Okay, so physics never scrollable physics. Okay, so after we do this, the item will not be, okay, so here you can see this is the change we have seen. Now items view all. So now if there is more than one item, okay, so okay, let me copy this. Bool is allowed is equal to false, is allowed is equal to false. And in here what we can do is allowed is true, then it will, all the length of this, all the available will be product will be shown, otherwise only one product will be shown. Okay, so let me just do one thing, that is in the items, instead of this let me do one thing, build row column, remove this row children, and sorry, build, not this, build text. And in the build text what we pass is items title t dot body medium and not null. So after we done this, so copy this command, and okay, now paste here. So just let us reload the application. So in here is, that is the main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot, it will be space between. Okay, sorry, not space around, space between. So yeah, this seems to be nice. So let me just do one thing. So let us just go back, and then this edit to card. Okay, at first only one product card is shown. Okay, but if I click on this icon button, so here you can see all the card items has been shown. Okay, so this is the features that I have included now. Okay, then after this, what we can do is, let me just add another image also. Okay, so image this, yeah. Now okay, so all of those images are shown. Okay, so what we have to do is set state, and I think it has to be cart product dot remove. Okay, so remove based on this data. So the data, that is, I mean, the product will be removed when I click on this delete icon button. Okay, so if I click on here, so the product has been removed. So same here, same, and cart is empty. Okay, so I think we have achieved this also. And let me just do one thing: edit to cart, edit to cart, edit to cart. Now what we have to do is this product is also shown. Now this price have to be shown in here. So we have to make this price dynamic. Okay, and at first this the selected amount of this product also will be 1, and the user will be able to select this increase or decrease the amount of this product.